Hello, in this video tutorial we are going to show you how to control an RGB LED over Wi-Fi using Arduino Nano 33 IoT. So let's get started. For more interesting projects, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for our recent post notifications. This video tutorial is sponsored by PCBWay.com. They are providing you a high quality PCBs for just $5 only. So visit the website and click on this sign in button. Create your account and then click on $5 for 10 PCB button. Fill the specification like number of layer, dimension, color and quantity. Select your country from here and also a different shipping method. PCBWay is also providing CNC and 3D printing service. So click on this button, upload your CAD file and place your order now.